Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Unlock English Success. So today we are going to do the question answers of unit number 8, the impact of globalization on culture and economy. So in my previous videos we have already done the translation of this unit, and this unit is taken from the new English book of grade 9, which is just published by Punjab Textbook Board. And all the students who are going to appear in the next year exams, they have to study this book. So I want to say thanks to all my followers, because I was unable to make this video for the last 2-3 days, and I was busy in some domestic stuff, so sorry for that. But as soon as I get the time, I am here to help you out. So if you already my subscriber, then do share my videos and like it and comment on it. And if you are new, then you should subscribe my channel and share it with all your other friends and colleagues as well. So without any further ado, let's move to the question answers. So you all know that there are some questions given in the text, so they are called as questions given with the text, and then we have some question answers which are taken from the exercise. But first we will be doing the questions from the text. So the very first question is, what does digital globalization refer to? Based on the introduction, means in this paragraph, what does globalization means, or what does it refers to? So the answer of first question is, digital globalization refers to the process of connecting people, information and cultures worldwide through the internet, social media and digital technologies. Let's see the second question. Second question is on next page. How does globalization facilitate labor mobility? So the answer is, globalization facilitates labor mobility by creating job opportunities in different countries, allowing skilled workers to move where demand is high. It also improves access to international job market through digital platforms. Okay, let's see. Okay, on page number 95 we have question number 3, that is, how does globalization contribute to cultural exchange? So let's read out the answer. Globalization contributes to cultural exchange by allowing people to share traditions, languages and lifestyles through social media, travel, international trade and digital platforms. It also provides access to global entertainment, fashion and cuisine. Yes, question number 4. What are some educational opportunities created by digital globalization? And the answer is, digital globalization creates educational opportunities such as online courses, virtual classrooms, webinars, and access to international educators. It also provides language learning apps and digital libraries for students worldwide. So these were the question answers which were from the text. Now we will go to the exercise of this unit and see how many questions are there. So they are almost 8. Yes. So the very first question from the exercise is, what is globalization and how does it promote economic growth? So first we will be telling the definition of globalization, and then we will tell about the impacts and how it helps in economic growth. So the answer is, globalization is a process of increased connections between countries through trade, communication and technology. It promotes economic growth by opening new markets, attracting foreign investment, creating jobs and improving industries through new technology and innovation. Done? Question number 2 is, how has globalization impacted Pakistan's economy in terms of trade and investment? So with referring to the Pakistan, we will answer this question. Globalization has boosted Pakistan's economy by expanding exports like textiles and agricultural products. It has also attracted foreign investment, especially through projects like CPAC, which has improved infrastructure, creating jobs, and brought advanced technology. Very concise answer. Next, move to the question number 3. What are some of the new job opportunities created in Pakistan as a result of globalization? Globalization has created jobs in sectors like information technology, telecommunications, manufacturing, and services. Many multinational companies have set up operations in Pakistan, offering better wages and work conditions. Question number 4. What is cultural exchange and how does it benefit people? Cultural exchange is the sharing of traditions, languages, and lifestyles between different cultures. It benefits people by promoting understanding, tolerance, and appreciation of diversity, helping them learn new ideas, skills, and customs. Question number 5. What concerns are raised about the preservation of traditional Pakistani culture in the context of globalization? Answer is, some people fear that globalization may overshadow traditional Pakistani culture by influencing language, dress, and customs. There is concern that local traditions may be replaced by global trends, making it important to balance modern influences while preserving cultural heritage. Next is question number 6. How has globalization expanded access to information for students? How it is helpful for students? Globalization has expanded access to information through the internet, online courses, educational videos, and digital libraries. Students can now learn about different cultures, histories, and subjects from international sources. Question number 7. How does learning about diverse perspective benefit students? Answer is, learning about diverse perspective helps students develop critical thinking, empathy, and a broader understanding of the world. It prepares them to work in global environments and respect different cultures and opinions. Last question. How can understanding globalization help the young Pakistani students contributing to their country's future? And the answer is, understanding globalization helps students adapt to global trends, improve their skills, and explore international opportunities. It enables them to contribute to Pakistan's economic growth, preserve cultural identity, and engage in global discussions effectively. Okay? So, students, this was the question answers of unit number 8. Tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala, I will upload the exercise of this unit. And keep following me, and please like and subscribe my channel, and to encourage and motivate me to create some more helpful videos for you, kindly do comment something and share my videos to all your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.